You have received your... This is great! We got the money for the grant!
This is amazing!
Yes, that means we're going to be able to start the work on the vaccine.
Welcome, Dr. Francis. It's nice of you to join us.
Thank you, Dr. Salk. Thanks for having me here. How is your process going on finding a vaccine for polio?
Well, as it is, right now we're attempting to create a vaccine using the killed version of the Mahoney type of the virus.
Mm-hmm.
As you may know, this is the most deadly type of the virus. That's why it's what we're using.
That is true.
So what we're attempting to do is use formalin. Formalin, we already know, it already kills every other type of virus.
Kills the virus.
Correct. And so the trouble we're having now is that we don't have enough data to harvest because of the fact that the polio virus only works in the spinal cord.
I think there was a little breakthrough about that. John Enders, he seemed to be able to find a way to cultivate the polio virus outside of the nervous cell tissue.
Can you tell me more about this?
Actually, when he and his colleagues were working on cultivating the mumps virus, they decided to add polio virus to the leftover culture samples and found that the virus thrives in the tissue sample, which is non-nervous cell tissue.
Wonderful.
Yeah, that's great. Now you can make as many samples as you need to run as many trials as you need to find the actual vaccine.
Absolutely. Let's get started.
All right, Dr. Manley, now that you're new here, show me what you know about polio.
Well, so far what we know is that polio is an enterovirus, which means that it enters the system through the gastrointestinal tract, and then it goes on to infect the central nervous system, which includes the brain, brainstem, and spinal cord.
So how's it transmitted?
It's a fecal oral disease, which means that it is transmitted to individuals by contaminated food or water.
Very good. How does it progress in the body?
Well, like I said, it enters the gastrointestinal tract, and then once it gets to the spinal cord and central nervous system, it damages cells by attacking nerve cells, destroying them, and creating more of the virus.
Can you tell me more about those symptoms?
Well, I have the symptoms listed here. They include sore throat, fever, tiredness, nausea, headache, and stomach pain. And that will persist for the time that the virus is actually active inside the body, or most active, which is 2 to 4 weeks after infection.
That doesn't sound good. Can you tell me more about the paralysis?
Well, depending on the severity of the damage to the central nervous system, that is what will dictate the degree of paralysis that a person might experience. Some people don't have any significant damage to their nervous system, so they experience no paralysis. But many young children with inadequate immune systems end up experiencing severe trauma to the nervous system, specifically in the spinal cord. This results in often paralysis, quadriplegia, and paraplegia.
Wonderful. You seem very well informed on one of the diabetes that's in.
Thank you.
All right, kids, are you ready?
I'm scared. I don't want to do it.
It'll be fine, guys.
Honey, are you sure this is safe for me and the kids?
If it wasn't safe, then I wouldn't be doing it. Plus, I've already inoculated myself.
Dr. Jonas Salk now injects his wife and children in their home kitchen after inoculating himself. Despite the risks, Salk is desperate, and he's sure that his vaccine will work. Fortunately, his family all developed antibodies as a result of the injection. After a few more secret tests, Salk began the largest human trial to date, vaccinating over 500,000 children across America, called the Polio Pioneers.
The results of the trial are in. Over 500,000 kids have been inoculated with the killed version of the poliomyelitis virus. This vaccine that me and my team have created will ensure that all these kids will remain safe from polio as long as they come in for their follow-up boosters. Questions? You in the front.
Mr. Salk, who owns the patent?
Well, the people would, I suppose. There is no patent. Would you patent the sun? Any further questions? You here.
Mr. Salk, what about the defective vaccines?
To address that question, the defective vaccine was a result of a manufacturing error in one of our labs. Me and my team are taking every precaution necessary to ensure that does not happen again. The error occurred because we failed to completely kill that virus, and as a result, many were infected and there was one fatality.